Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a road trip travel going to Berlin. This is Germany. We are going to Berlin and it's quite a long travel. This is a lit upload. I was not able to put this one in my channel, so I have to share this one when we travel to Berlin by mobile home. As you can see, there's a lot of trees going when you pass by going there. Yeah, Germany is different from Netherlands. Netherlands is a plain area, flat. There is no mountain there. In Germany, of course, it is above. I just want to show how Germany looks like you are traveling. And of course, it is not new to people who are living here and also in part of Europe. But in the Philippines and other countries who are not in Europe, I think they want also to see how it looks like. The Germany. Yeah, they are different. You can see by the road if you travel by car from Netherlands to Belgium and to Germany, because Netherlands is plain. And then by each country you can differentiate how it is, how Belgium is, and how Germany is. We pass also a tunnel here, and then in the last video we find also a place where you can stay. It is near in Berlin. Enjoy watching and God bless everyone. Hope all is well.
where goats sleep. So, to see it here. You can see it here.
Right.
Huh?
This is Berlin. Only we are not in the center, but it's near. Just only travel in a bus going to the center. It's quite here, and this is the
It's the
place
view.
where we stop and where you can sleep and you can rent the place. It's not so far away from Berlin in the center,
Where you can
but it's quite here.
where you can watch also if you want.